Gang, so you telling me this the reality for a man? That's it, bro? Nigga, I just got off of work. It's 2:56 in the morning. I don't have nobody to talk to, gang. I don't got nobody to comfort me, gang. I don't got nobody to tell me that it's okay, gang. I have nobody to talk to, gang. And even if I did, I still can't tell them how I feel because I don't like being vulnerable. I don't like feeling vulnerable. Even if I did explain how I feel, they wouldn't care, bro. Wouldn't nobody care. They gonna say, well, keep your chin up, keep your head up. What the fuck you think I've been doing this whole time, bro? Niggas is tired, bro. Yes, I might be a man, but niggas get tired of thugging, bro. I'm gonna keep it undone. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I'm speaking up for the niggas that don't have the strength to say this, bro. Niggas get tired of thugging, bro. Niggas is tired, bro. Like, is this reality for me? Work, go home, go to sleep, do it all again, bro. No social life, gang. I barely see my homeboys anymore, bro. Niggas is tired. I feel like I have no time on my hands, gang. Like, yeah. I don't know, bro. I just feel like this shit getting repetitive. I don't know, bro. I just feel like niggas is in a circle, bro. Niggas is in a loop or something, bro. And I'm gonna continue to keep my faith and pray to God and keep my hope, bro. But shit still get hard, bro. Shit still be hard, bro, at the end of the day.
Yes, being a man is hard. Yes. All right. But you just don't give up. You just don't accept defeat. You don't accept being a loser. You don't accept being a bum. You don't accept that shit. All right. And see, that's why I made this YouTube channel. I made this YouTube channel to uplift and motivate men. Right? Bro, you got people depend on you. I got people depend on me. I got no choice but to try. I got no choice but to get back up and keep pushing. Even if life is fucking hard, even if life keeps smacking me in my face, I have to get up and keep pushing. I have to get up and keep trying. If I'm not successful, if I don't get up every day, then my family is going to stay at the fucking bottom. Right? My family is going to stay at the bottom. Your family is going to stay at the bottom. Your family is depending on you, bro. You just can't give up. You can't just give up. You can't accept being a fucking bum. You can't accept being a fucking failure. That's not an option. Get your ass up and keep pushing. Get your ass up and keep working. I keep telling y'all, bro, nobody's here to save us. Nobody's not going to save you. Nobody. Right? So you all comfortable, you all chilling, you all watching Netflix and movies all day, thinking somebody gonna save your ass, bro. Your ass is going to stay at the fucking bottom. Your ass is going to stay grass. These women, they don't give a fuck about you. They don't care about you, bro. They don't care. They don't care that life is hard for us. They don't care about that. They only want the winners. They only want the men that's at the finish line. If you're not at the finish line, they don't give a fuck about you. They're not going to respect you. They're not going to even look your way. They not. Right? Yes, women live life on easy. That's because a man is going to save them. Somebody's going to save them. No man is going to save us. Nobody's going to save us. Mommy and daddy, they only going to save you just for a little bit. After a while, they going to get tired of your ass. They're like, damn, get your ass up and go work. If you're going through something, go talk to somebody. Don't just bottle that shit in. You know what I'm saying? Don't just bottle that shit in. Yes, you have somebody to talk to. Go find somebody to talk to. When I be telling y'all to put yourself out there, I'm not just saying put yourself out there for women. Put yourself out there for men too. Go make some friends, bro. Get out the fucking house. You in the house all day. You're not going to make no friends. You're not going to be around like-minded individuals. Your bum-ass friends, you need to cut them off. Why is you still hanging with them? You going to work, you going to the gym, you going straight back to the house. Why do you still talk to them on the phone? Why do you still try to hang out with them? They not trying to get to the level you trying to get to. They always want to smoke. They always want to drink. They always want to party. They want to do drugs and shit. They want to do shit that's not going to help them elevate. Why is you still socializing with them? I know you grew up with them, but bro, you gonna have to cut them off. There's some friends I'm real close with. I had to cut them off. I can't be with y'all. I can't really hang out with y'all. I'm trying to get to somewhere. I can't party with y'all all the time. I can't go to the club with y'all all the time. Not because I can't afford it. It's just because I'm trying to get somewhere in life. I don't have time for that shit. I don't have time for that shit. Right? So yes, bro, you want to have to cut some of your friends off. It's going to be lonely at the top. Yes, it's going to be lonely at the top. But you always have to remember, bro, that your family is dependent on you. Right? Don't you want a family? Don't you want kids? Your kids want to look at you like Superman. Your kids want to look at you like Batman, bro. When you leave this earth, they need to be like, damn, my dad was the best. You know what I'm saying? Because you did everything for them. You gave them the best fucking life. You worked your ass off so you can give your family the best fucking life as possible. You know what I'm saying? So, of course, yes, life is going to be hard. It's supposed to be hard. If it was easy, everybody be at the top. You don't see a lot of people at the fucking top. You don't see a lot of people grinding to the top. Everybody just give up. Right? If you that person that's not willing to give up, then you're going to get to the top. You're going to be at the fucking top. You're going to be successful. Successful people want to hang around with successful people. They don't want to hang around with your bum ass. They don't want to hang around with your ass if you're trying to go to the club all the damn time. They don't want to do that. Right? So yes, it might be lonely right now, but when you get to the top, you're going to meet better people. You're going to meet like-minded individuals. Hell, before you even get to the top, you still might meet like-minded individuals. You know what I'm saying? But that's by you putting yourself out there. That's by you not giving up. That's by you trying. A lot of y'all dudes don't be wanting to try. Right? If you don't try, you're not going to get nowhere. You're not going to get to the level of success you want to because you're not fucking trying. Nobody finna do this shit for you. Nobody's not going to save you, bro. You have to want it more than anybody else. You have to want it for yourself. Yes, life's supposed to be hard. Yes. Yes, life is supposed to be hard. Yes, I go through shit too. You know what I'm saying? We all go through shit, right? But you have to remember the bigger picture. My family depended on me. I can't just give up. I can't just lose sight. I can't just accept being a fucking failure. If I don't get to the top, my family is going to stay at the fucking bottom. I have no choice but to get up. I have no choice but to keep grinding. I have no choice but to keep walking forward, pushing forward, striving for greatness. I have no choice. Even if I get slapped 1,000 times, I'm going to keep getting my ass back up. If you have to shed a tear sometimes, bro, do that. Ain't nothing wrong with that, bro. We still human at the end of the day. We still fucking human, bro. We ain't no damn robots. If you going through something, you got to shed a tear, do that shit. I ain't telling you to do that shit around your girl, right? Do that shit around your homies. Do that shit by yourself. It's okay. You're going to get through it. Like I said, life is not supposed to be easy for us. It's supposed to be hard, right? It's supposed to be hard. So when you do get to the top, you get everything you want. You get to do whatever you want. The harder it is, the bigger the fucking reward. But that's if you put the work in. I'm not at the success I want, but guess what I'm doing? Every fucking day, I'm getting my ass up and keep pushing forward. Every fucking day, I'm working. I'm hustling so I can get to the fucking top. You know what I'm saying, bro? Everybody not going to understand you. Everybody is not going to understand you. You try to tell them what you're trying to do in life, they not going to understand you because they not on the same level as you. They don't have the same frequency as you. Right? Not everybody can go with you. Not everybody can get to the fucking top. That's why it's not a lot of people at the fucking top, because it's hard to get to the fucking top. Yes, it's hard. But when you do get there, you're going to be so thankful. You're going to be so happy. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather be at the fucking top than being at the fucking bottom. Broke, bum, nobody respect you, nobody give a fuck about you. When you at the top, you can do whatever you want to fucking do. You can provide for your fucking family. Your family don't even have to work no more because you at the fucking top. You can provide for them. You can help them. You can save them. People depending on you. You just can't give up. Yes, life is hard, but oh well, keep pushing. Right? You was born on this earth to be a fucking man. Keep working. Yes, keep going. Fuck is you giving up for? Fuck is you crying and moping and sad? Why? Get up, get your ass up and keep working. Get up, do something about it. Do something. If you don't like where you at right now, do something about it. Do something else, right? Find something that's going to help you elevate. Ain't no point in complaining all day. Ain't no point in crying all day. Ain't no point of moping around sad and depressed all day. Ain't no point. Because nobody gives a fuck. So really, you just doing this shit for no fucking reason. You crying, you moping, you sad for no fucking reason because nobody cares. Everybody else going through their own fucking problems. So what you gonna do about it? You know what I'm saying? And like I said, guys, if you're going through something, go talk to somebody. I'm not telling you to bottle that shit in. Go talk to somebody. It's okay to talk. It's okay to get that shit out your system. Right? It's okay to shed a tear. Yes, you're human, bro. We're fucking human. We're not fucking robots. You know what I'm saying? But keep pushing forward. Keep getting up. Getting to the next level. Trying to get to the next level. Don't just give up. A lot of y'all dudes just be giving up. Oh, damn, this bitch, she just rejected me. Up, I'm done talking to women. Just because this one girl rejected you, who gives a fuck? Keep going. Keep talking to multiple women. You know what I'm saying? Not every woman is going to like you, bro. Why is you giving up? Why is you done cold approaching? Nigga, I cold approach every fucking day. I get rejected every fucking day, but that shit don't bother me. Because I like women that like me. So if that shit rejected me, that means she ain't really like me like that. That's cool. That's her loss. Next person. And that goes with anything in life, bro. You know what I'm saying? You doing something and it's not working. Okay, it's time to go back to the drawing board, see what you're doing wrong, right? Or try to change what you're doing. Do something else. You know what I'm saying? You gotta learn how to adapt, bro. You doing the same shit over and over and over and over and over again. You not seeing the results you want. Okay, it's time to go back to the drawing board. It's time to adapt. It's time to do something else. You know what I'm saying? But a lot of y'all dudes just be giving up. A lot of y'all dudes just be, I don't know. Y'all okay with being a fucking loser. I'm not okay with being no loser. I'm very competitive. I like to fucking win. Yes, you're going to have some wins and losses, but I like to fucking win more than I like to lose. Right? So I got no choice but to keep getting up. My family is in the back of my mind right now. Like, damn, I need to protect them. I need to save them. I need to provide for them. I have to do everything for them. Okay, cool. Let me do that. I take that burden. I handle that burden. I don't give a fuck about that because I know when I do get to the top, everything's going to be okay. Everybody's going to be straight. Right? But if you just give up, you just okay with accepting defeat, you okay with being a fucking loser, then you and your family gonna stay at the fucking bottom. You and your kids gonna stay at the fucking bottom. Yes. You seeing all these YNs, you seeing all these kids doing dumb shit around the world, that's because they don't have nobody to look up to. You had to be that person for them to look up to. You had to be that fucking Superman. Right? If they see your ass doing dumb shit, guess what they gonna do? They gonna do dumb shit too. Right? That's why it's imperative to get your ass up and keep working. That's why it's imperative to give your kids, give your family the best life as possible so they won't do dumb shit. It's very fucking simple. Stop overcomplicating this shit. Yes, life is hard. Okay, well, get up. Get your ass up. Right? You was meant to be a fucking man. Get up and keep working. Keep grinding. Not everybody gonna get this. Not everybody gonna be at the fucking top. That's okay. Everybody not meant to get to the top. If you watching this and if you agree with what I'm saying, bro, that means you meant to be at the fucking top. That's okay. Keep working. Keep grinding. Yes, life is hard. Right? Yes, life is hard. But that's what I'm here for. I'm here to motivate y'all and uplift y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna put this shit on my fucking back. Yes, I go through shit too. Right? But you have to always remember the bigger picture. People is depending on me. I got no choice but to get up and keep working. I will not be a fucking bum. I will not be a fucking loser. That's no. That's not even in my head. Right? Like I said, I don't give a damn if I get stopped 1,000 times. Guess what? I'm gonna get my ass back up and keep working, keep grinding. My family depend on me. I refuse to let my kids do dumb shit. I refuse. Right? So guess what I gotta do? I gotta be Superman in their eyes. I gotta do everything, right? So they can be straight. So everybody can be straight. Right? Come on, guys. Like, bro, yes, life is hard, bro, but you have to keep working. You have to keep pushing. You have to keep grinding. Get your ass up. Right? Get up. I'd rather be at the top than the fucking bottom with the fucking bums, the losers, doing dumb shit. Like, come on, bro. Yes, you're going to have to cut people off. Yes, it's a part of the game. You're going to. Right? Everybody can't get to the top. Everybody don't see your vision. That's cool. Right? But that's where you come in. That's where you got to put yourself out there, bro. Put yourself out there so you can meet new people. Put yourself out there so you can meet new people, so you can hang with new people. Right? If you see your friends doing dumb shit, it's time to cut them off. They ain't trying to get to where you trying to get to. All right, bet. I'm cool with y'all, bro. I fuck with y'all, bro, but I can't no longer kick it with y'all like that. Right? Because I'm trying to go somewhere in life. I'm trying to get somewhere in life. Right? There's no bad blood. There's no bad feelings between us. But, bro, I'm trying to get somewhere in life. We only have one life to live. Live this shit the fuck up. We only have, I be thinking y'all dudes be forgetting that. We only have one life to live. Why the hell is you giving up? Why the hell is you okay with being a loser? Why is you just accepting being a fucking beta male? Why? There's more to life, bro, but you have to get up and keep working. You have to keep trying, right? If you don't try, then your ass gonna stay a fucking bum. Nobody's going to give a fuck about you. Nobody cares about you. These women, they don't give a fuck about you, right? These women, they only want winners, right? They only want winners. So, bro, make yourself a fucking winner so these women can choose you. But guess what I gotta do? I gotta be the best person all around the board. You know what I'm saying? I have damn near everything. This bitch got no choice but to fucking talk to me, right? Because I'm the fucking best option. Make yourself the best option. Be good at everything, not just one thing. Cut off all the people, cut off all the negative people that's not trying to motivate you, elevate you, cut all them off. Unfollow all the people that's not motivating you. Unfollow all the people that's not doing shit with their life. I'm trying to get somewhere in life. I'm only following and I'm only hanging with people that's going somewhere in life. That's motivating me, that's uplifting me. You know what I'm saying? I'm not hanging around. I'm not following no negative ass people. I'm not following no bums. I'm not following no losers. I'm not following nobody that always go to the fucking club and not trying to get somewhere in life. I'm only following and I'm only hanging around with people that's trying to get somewhere in life. You are what you hang around, right? So if your friends don't want to get nowhere in life, bro, it's going to be even harder for you to get somewhere in life, right? So it's better for you to find people that's trying to get somewhere in life so they can motivate you, so they can uplift you, so you can always have a game plan, so you can always know what you heading towards. Yes, getting to the top is fucking lonely, but that's okay. That's cool. That's cool. It's better than staying at the fucking bottom and not trying. At least you trying. Most of these people, they gave up. You know what I'm saying? Don't be that dude that's gonna give up, bro. Look at the bigger picture. Your family depend on you. My family depend on me. You know what I'm saying? We got no choice but to get to the top. We got no choice but to be successful. Yes. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, that's the video for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, this your boy Daron. I'm out. Peace.